I started watching YouTube when I was 10 years old. I've wanted to be a YouTuber since 2015. I've always been giving myself excuses, man. I need the right camera and gear, I need equipment. The point self-education was even one of my biggest excuses. In school, I cannot make content, but that is a big lie. YouTube felt like something that I can learn first before I practice. I don't know whether you guys know what I mean. So I scoured the whole internet for every editing tutorial, every how to beat the algorithm video you could find on the internet. I've watched all of them. But at exactly the 23rd of March 2021, I stumbled on this video by Ali Abdal, and he said something. He said, just start, then learn the rest on the way. And it just clicked. I felt like I received the rema from heaven. This is it. Like I can be a YouTuber. All I need to do is just to post that first video, and as soon as I post the first video, I'm a YouTuber. And that same day I shot my first video. Of course, it was horrible. What came next was like the heart-wrenching fear of what my friends think, even my family members, what would they think as I'm going to do this YouTube of its own? Should I share this link to my WhatsApp group? Should I tell people about, like, I want to do YouTube? There's one kind of fear that is not supposed to be there, but it is there. Anything that concerns creating content and putting it out to the internet. But I posted it, I shared the links, and nobody cares. It's just as simple as that. That was like, this part is the part where people used to tell me that they were like, they can't do this kind of thing. Like, it's not that scary. That is just the thing. They say they cannot do this kind of thing, but it's not that scary. Just put it out there. Who cares? Everybody is doing their own thing. Everybody has their own problems. So who is looking at your own life? You can say I started YouTube with this kind of upbeat mindset. I wasn't scared anymore, and I was happy that I'm actually what I've been dreaming of for so many years. It's no longer a dream. I was a YouTuber. But fast forward a year now, and it turns out I'm still scared. I've been scared all along. Maybe I've been hiding it, or I've been telling myself it's not a fright, I'm not scared, but I truly am. Maybe I didn't notice because the fear is just a different type of fear. I felt like I was as scared of what people would think. But now I think I'm scared of numbers. I think arithmophobia. I'm afraid of retention graph. I'm afraid of like ratios. I'm afraid of comments, afraid of even views. I'm afraid of numbers. So many psychological, like there's so much psychological trauma when it comes to YouTube, and nobody talks about it. There was a point that I even got angry why I had these mixed feelings in myself. The algorithm itself was recommending videos on burnout, and I called one of my friends and I told him that I hate what the algorithm is doing, and I'm even annoyed at the people that are making those kind of videos. Because when I'm watching those videos, it's as they are telling me exactly what is happening to me, and I don't want to believe it because I'm not even started. But the truth is, this stage of being a creator is inevitable. It is practically inevitable. I think it's human growth. You have to pass through it. I think these mixed feelings I've been having has spoken to me to what really I need from YouTube now. As you begin YouTube in 2022, here are some pieces of advice from my friends who are YouTubers that I think might guide you well on your own journey.
One lesson I've learned from YouTube so far, nobody cares. Seriously, nobody cares until you make it. You have to have the mental fortitude, and yeah, you will be depressed some days, but you have to keep going. And people will say don't watch the numbers, don't watch that, but the numbers will affect you, the algorithm will affect you. All you have is you, yourself, and how thick-skinned you are.
If you ask me, one thing that I've learned on YouTube here is constructive storytelling. I know a lot of people might resonate to this. Guys, I'm speaking for myself because as at 2020, when I started my channel, sometimes I go back to watch my old videos and I'll be like, no, this storytelling, the lines were lame and all of those things. I can say that, yeah, that is one key thing that I really learned on this platform.
On YouTube, you want the numbers to go up, and having the patience to keep creating when nothing is happening is a skill. It's something you have to learn. It was not a skill I had before, but something I've had to learn over the 1 year I've been on YouTube.
What have I learned on YouTube? Yeah, like what you are doing. And like a quote from one of the best guys I met on YouTube said, content is king and publicity is queen. But guess who runs the home? Publicity. But make sure your king is right in place.
This is my second year on YouTube, and if there's anything I've learned, is that you should learn from every single YouTuber, big or small. Learn from everyone, but at the same time, never try to be anyone but yourself, because the subscribers smell authenticity.
Find like-minded friends. Look for them. I don't know where you find them, but find like-minded friends. Find YouTubers. Put yourself in a group. I promise you it will help. You will learn faster and you will grow faster, because you can't learn everything in one day. Mr. Beast even said it himself. There is no such thing as trying to become the biggest on your own. You need people. You know, you guys that are subscribed to my channel, you guys have already started sensing something is wrong with this video. If you have been sensing something, your feelings are correct. This is probably going to be the last episode of a filmmaker's diary. I think I began a filmmaker's diary to learn everything pertaining to how to create a successful YouTube channel and share it with whosoever cares on the internet. I'm grateful that you guys stuck by me till now. I think in this A Filmmaker's Diary, I've shared enough for anyone to start a successful YouTube channel. You don't need to know it all, that is just the thing. I don't want you guys to repeat the mistake I made. Just start and learn on the way. Next phase of videos are going to be more of experimentation on the type of videos and value I want to offer to the internet or the world. I think healthy experimentation only leads to more clarity rather than straying from your purpose on YouTube. In this period, I'm going to be more consistent in posting my videos. Thank you guys so much for the love and support you guys have shown me so far. And I wish to invite you to this next phase of my videos. It's been a hell of a ride. Thank you so much and good luck.